Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 20 Pro, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So before we get started, you will need one of these SIM eject tool. It comes provided with the device in the box, but you can also use a paper clip straight in one of the ends, and it should work just as well if you can't find this thing. So anyway, once you got one of those, you want to take off the cover if you have one on your phone, and then looks like the tray is at the bottom of the phone, and once you push it in, the tray should pop out. There we go, just a little bit. So on here we have space for a SIM card and SD card on the other side. So I'm gonna start with the SD card. There we go, and then SIM card. Okay. Now, the nice thing about this tray is it actually holds the cards in place, so you don't have to worry about them falling out. Now, let's pop it back in. And we should see that SD card is working and SIM card is working as well. It requires a pin, so I'm going to confirm it. Apparently it's a completely changed pin, so I can't unlock it, but there it is. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.